How are you going to know? And that is why absolution must be granted, my lady. And so far as costs are concerned, the irony of the situation is that an attorney-client cost is merited. But the tragic irony is that that's coming from state money, which should be protected. But in terms of, there's a matter of Amakasa Props 129 Pty Limited versus the City of Johannesburg. It's a 2001 case. Your ladyship will find it on SAFLI, and I'll ask my instructing attorney to upload it onto SAFLI. In terms of what a model litigant is, His Lordship Acting Justice de Villiers.
Let my registrar have that citation, because we don't have case lines, remember, and I won't get access to it immediately.
As the court pleases, I will ask my instructing attorney to email it to all parties. He deals with the issue of the way a state litigant should conduct itself. Basically says there's a higher duty on the state to respect law and to fulfill procedural requirements and to tread respectfully when dealing with rights. Government is not an indigent or bewildered litigant adrift at sea of litigious uncertainty, to whom the court must extend procedure circumventing lifeline. It is the Constitution's primary agent, and it must do right, and it must do it properly. And that's in reference to a case that cited her lady will see it. The point that I'm trying to make is what is tripe, my lady. It hardly needs authority, is that when the state wants to institute action, we understand that there's unfortunately a large number of misconduct that's perpetrated with regards to tenders and the like, and the state should recover that money robustly and vociferously. But San Michele, there's simply no prima facie case against him. The accounting has been meticulously showed, and when we get to the end of the state's case, in fact, at the end of the very first witness, he says, no, I can't tell you how much they would owe. And yes, I accept that I actually should have gone back and done a proper financial analysis of all the monies to come to a conclusion as to whether or not we owe anything. So, my lady, we come to the point that the state has not discharged its onus. Her ladyship is in no position to know how much money, if anything, should be paid, to say nothing of the fact that the merits are not established. But the state has spent all its resources and wasted the money of San Michele on its lawyers to prove that point that we don't know. My lady, attorney-client costs is appropriate. It would be within her ladyship's discretion to actually look in to see who actually gave the instruction to institute the claim, but I'm not going there. Her ladyship is aware of, specifically in RAF type matters where functionaries of state are held personally liable. I'm not making that request. I'm simply saying, tragic irony notwithstanding, please don't let San Michele be significantly out of pocket for having to come to court to defend a half-baked case.
Thank you.
May it please the court, my lady.
Thank you, Mr. Morland. Okay. Look, I'm going to obviously require time. I'm busy at the moment trying to finish all my parted cases, and that's my priority. So I will get to this judgment probably during my leave. Like I've now got a pile of judgments that I have to deliver. So that's only going. It's not. So don't expect an early judgment. So I'm warning you right now, because of my impending retirement. I'm trying to finish off all my partards, which keeps me pretty much grounded in court. So I'm going to do my level best.
As the court pleases, her ladyship will take the necessary time that her ladyship requires to make the ruling.
When I do sit with the judgment and I find there's something that I need some clarification, I will address it in writing to both parties and ask for your comment.
Happy to assist her ladyship.
Thanks, Mr. Kwenda. Thanks, Mr.
Thank you, my lady, and to my learned friend. Thank you.
Thank you.